Yo ninjas, I'm Kaio. Welcome to this new series of daily videos to level up your power moves. I will upload one video per day from December 1st until December 24th. In each video I'm gonna show you some exercises or a little combo to improve your power move. We're gonna start easy in the first episodes so you can still follow them if you are a beginner as well, and we are gonna increase the level step by step. The goal of this 24 video program is to improve your power move control and create new combos and opportunities with the power moves you have. Beside this program, I'm also gonna post daily on Patreon from December 1st to December 24th. In my daily Patreon videos, I'm gonna focus on how to be more creative with the power moves you have and with the combos that I'm teaching in these tutorials. So make sure to join my Patreon, link in the description, and let's start! In this video I'm going to teach you two moves that are going to be very useful to learn the dynamic of the flare. If you cannot do flares, I really recommend you learning these two moves first. If you can already do flares instead, I think learning these two moves could still add more variety to your combos. So, the first move, it's a 4-step. Not the usual 4-step, but a variation of it that looks a little bit more like a flare. I'm gonna start from the back. Usually when I start footworks, I start from the position 0, but for these two variations, I'm gonna start from the back. Because since they are more similar to a flare, you wanna pretend starting in this position. So you can start from here, or you can start from the back, from the position 3 of the footworks. Let's start from here. I'm gonna place only the right hand on the floor. You can place it flat, since you're gonna use these moves as an exercise for flares. You can still place your hands flat. Instead, if you wanna use these moves only as footworks, I recommend you to place your hand in this way, only your fingers on the floor. Maybe at the beginning, just place your hands flat on the floor just to get used to the moves. When you get comfortable, you can place your hand in this way if you want to use them in your footworks. I'm gonna start exactly like a flare, swinging this leg. I can swing it inside in this direction, and at the same time I want to kick forward with this one. Usually in the flare we kick more in this direction, sideways. For this move we're gonna kick forward towards this direction and not here. Slide and kick forward. Okay, try to slide even more until you reach this position here. With this foot flat on the floor in this position towards the right side, so not in the middle but on the right, and this leg kicking also to the right side. I show you. Kick and land like this. From here you want to turn, you want to make a circle with this leg like this, and after doing this circle, tread inside and do a step back. This is the step number 2. So 1 and 2. And as you can see, I'm switching my weight from the right side to the left side. Again, one more time. 1, here my weight is kind of like on the middle. Turn, go inside, and switch your weight to the left. And this is step number 2. Just one last time, a little bit faster. 1 and 2. From here, step number 3, go back with the right leg. Step number 4, going back here. And then you repeat it over and over again. Let's do one round slowly again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second move. This one will be a 3-step. Not unusual 3-step, but a variation of it. It's gonna be harder and more dynamic. We're gonna start from the back once more. From here, we wanna kick inside with the right leg, and at the same time, jump forward with the left. We jump forward with the left, and we go up with the right, like this. Kick, kick, and arrive in this position here. From here you can place the left hand on the floor, kick with this leg in this way and turn it in a circle, like this. At the same time, jump with this leg here. You are with both hands on the floor, like this. You turn this leg and you jump with this one here. So you do 1, 2. You basically cross your legs from here to here. Let's do it again. 1, 2. From here, the third step is kicking back with this leg, moving our weight towards the left arm. Move your weight here. With this leg, you kick back, and at the same time, you jump with this leg. You do a big jump, a big circle, and you arrive here. So in the starting position again. This leg really gives you the momentum and kicks back. And with this other one, you do a big jump in a circle. So like this. And from here we start again. So you basically do 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. The left leg is jumping, the left leg is doing 1 step, 2 step, and 3 step, and the right leg is kicking 1, 2, and 3. Let's do it slowly. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So let's put together these 2 steps now, starting with the 4 step and then going to a 3 step. We're gonna do 1 round of each one, starting from here, slide and arrive here, then 2, 3, and 4. And from here we're gonna do the 3 step. So 1, 2, and 3. One more time slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. To get more creative with this combo and with your power moves, join my Patreon link in the description. As I said in the beginning, we are going to increase the level step by step. If you want to follow this program and try these combos, maybe you can try to post your videos and tag me on my Instagram at Kaio so I can check your progress about these combos and exercises, and I will share your posts on my Instagram story. Doesn't matter if you do it fast, you can do it slowly. See you tomorrow with a new combo and new exercises. Yo ninjas!